Cottonwood, Arizona, 6x800. First one pretty fast, and then the last 5, more, 220 pace, 2 hard 200s at the end. Yeah.
Do y'all come down here often?
Yeah, once a week. Yeah, Fridays. We were in Sedona last week, but I like Cottonwood a little better.
Nice.
It's a little lower.
Yeah.
Definitely missing my teammates. All my New Balance teammates are out getting ready to race this weekend. So obviously I've had so much fun running with them this past month, but it's also been really great to link up with some other teams. It's just a niche group of people that are at this level, and so to be able to just kind of be, in the same area and to get on the track together, it's really a great opportunity and it's a very special time.
So my name's Katie Snowden. I'm a middle distance athlete. Main event is 1500. I kind of dabble with the 800 as well. I think that's what I love about Flagstaff, to be honest, is the fact that the groups are quite open. Obviously we're in separate ones, but I think it's really fun that everyone just kind of comes together and help each other out. And I think working together, you both get better. So I think why not?
Yeah. Well, 59. I'd like to go through and. I don't know, somewhere around there.
We'll see. I don't know how I'll feel.
If you run 155, I'm gonna leave.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
I'm gonna get my car and go back to my
It's really windy out.
See Vince going backwards after 600. Like, Vince, get! Everyone's like, come on, Vince! Come on! Oh no! But Vince is going to run a 58-59 first 400.
Okay,
so I think if
that would be
start
perfect.
Yeah.
Is he just holding that?
Is he going to run that?
He's going to run 58-59 and then close as hard as he can.
That's what
Okay, all right. That'll be in mine.
This is maybe one of the riskiest positions we've ever put our athletes in. There's a real chance Vince goes home devastated.
And my last 200 is 40.
If you all kick Vince,
No.
I think we might have to what he has to do is just try to
No, he has to keep going and pretend it was just he was doing a mile. No, Vince, keep going. He's like, but I'm done. No, you're doing a mile, remember?
Do the K with these guys pretty much right now.
Okay.
As a warm up, do a couple 200s and then be ready for the
Okay.
Is that all right?
Yeah, we'll wait for you to go a lap or two and then we'll do our 2s.
Okay.
Because how many 2s do you have?
Oh, I'm doing just 3 200s off of 30-30s.
Okay.
Just quick.
So we're going to do a couple 200s and that's it.
Okay, and then we'll have a few minutes between that and starting the 8.
Sounds
Does that
good.
sound good?
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect. That was definitely the worst stretch. So, huh? One more over there. I don't know. Finishing here would be really hard.
No, finishing into that.
Yeah.
At least you'll be fresh for one of them.
Yeah.
If you start over there.
We can start there. That's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
It's not, it doesn't make much of a difference. You got to run into it twice anyway.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm going to do I'll meet 3 minutes doing 200s and then I'll put spikes on and be ready to go.
So we're starting over there.
And start over there.
Okay.
Good job, ladies.
Hold on. Okay, so we'll have the wind first and then.
No, that's much better. End of an 800, you don't want to feel that.
It's only okay. I think you got it. Guys?
Yeah, I think we're good. Zero pressure events, but they're waiting on you.
Yeah, I know. Well,
You're good.
I tried
zero
to be
pressure. I said zero pressure.
I tried to be ready for the K, and then I was actually like waiting for like 6 minutes.
Hey, listen, you're gonna be fine. You're zero pressure. But they are just sitting there waiting. Okay, ladies, just do what you can.
Ready?
Ready? You can do this.
That's when it gets hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. The last 100 always feels slow motion, doesn't it?
Yes.
Wow.
Maybe like a threshold.
That would really help for her.
Unless you think that's too much too.
Okay, let's go. Ready? Yeah.
Nine, 70, 71.
racing it in Glasgow was just so much fun. And you know, I hadn't raced in a while since I had the baby, and so I didn't have like huge expectations, but the workouts were going well, and I felt fit, and then the races went well, and I kind of just got into a groove, and so it gave me all the confidence in the world heading into outdoors, and I'm excited to hit the track again.
it. 70, 71, 72. To 19.
think what you've done here at altitude will translate into racing as we approach that as well?
You know, I've had a lot of success coming out and training at altitude. You know, we're at 7,000 feet in Flagstaff, and it's worked well for me throughout my entire career. And coming out here in January was the first time I've been out here in 2 years, and it, you know, really set me up well for indoors, and that was kind of a stepping stone to outdoors. And so really just kind of doing the similar type workouts as we did in January, and that definitely gave me some confidence going into the outdoor season.
Good work, ladies. That's it, lean into the effort, good work.
Together here, work together.
Keep breathing.
68, 69.
Good work, ladies.
I'm just, you know, really grateful to be healthy and to be running, and I feel really happy in my life right now. It's really awesome to have Ivan here in Flagstaff with me, and to be, you know, coming to all the races, and to have the support from my husband Jamie and my family. You know, it's just an incredible time in my life, and it's been really special to have everybody supporting me, and to be able to travel to all these amazing places and to race against, you know, world-class athletes. I have a different perspective, you know, about like what's important, and you know, I feel a lot happier just being a mom, and I feel more content and, you know, a little more relaxed, if you will. Like, I have Ivan, so everything's fine. You know, he's healthy, I'm healthy. But yeah, it's definitely been a new chapter, and you know, just to be able to change my perspective, I think has definitely helped me on the track. I can't wait to show him when he's older, like all the pictures and stuff of him at the races. I'm sure he won't remember them now, but even, you know, when I raced at the World Championships 2 years ago, I was pregnant, so I can't wait to be like, hey, you were on the track too, you know? But yeah, I definitely can't wait for him to be able to understand, you know, this journey and how he was a part of it. And yeah, it's incredibly special to have him here.
focus. Relax as you can, but lean into this effort.
70, 71, 58.
Working. Go, Ellie.
I mean, Ellie and Katie started with 159, 201. Seems really good. Seems like that's something that Mark would like. Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't know if there was a bad session. Yeah, I felt across the board it was good.
For Katie, you know, just working with her too, like how do you think that pushed her as well?
Yeah, I think that's what she was looking for. Like good hit on the front end, you know, 2 flat, 201, and then, you know, build from there. I think that's exactly the kind of workout she was looking for. And I think like for her, it's probably great to be able to train with somebody like Ellie that like, you know, they're working together and like you can kind of see where the ceiling is and like that's a good thing to have in practice for sure.
Yeah, I think that was really important to get a bit of a kind of like race stimulus, particularly because I didn't have an indoor season because I had an injury at the start of the year. So I think kind of treated today a bit like a bit of a rust buster. Yeah, will set me up really nicely for Elle Grand Prix next week and then Pre-Classic in 2 weeks' time. I think I just had to remember because I think it was between 400 and 600. I felt like I was getting slightly gapped. Yeah, it was actually pretty windy coming down this straight, but then I was just trying to remember like she's a world champ and yeah, she's going to run phenomenally well this summer. So I just had to kind of keep to my own plan and yeah, just not feel like I was kind of lagging a bit behind because still going pretty fast.
Each rep, how did you feel, especially starting off with that first really hard 800?
Yeah, I just try to take it like step by step, and kind of like that's one way to like kind of get through the workout. I really was mostly just thinking about that first 800, and so once I got past that, I was like, oh, I'll worry about it later. I'll worry about the other 800s later. And then once we got to it, I was like, oh, this is more of a grind. But being out here with other athletes and stuff really makes it a lot more fun and easier, to just kind of get behind somebody and switch off and hit the splits. And it was good energy out here on the track today.
There you go, the chocolate milk shot.
Oh yeah, chocolate milk.